Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get listed on Coinmarketcap. So first of all, what I need you to do, guys, is we will start reading all of these articles that talks about how to be exactly in the criteria of listing in the Coinmarketcap, which is the assembly guidelines. So first of all, the request type, you see what is your request, so project listing or supply update or whatever it is. So if you have any request from here, for example, if you have updating of projects or URLs, you have to, this is what you have to do, and yeah, etc. So now, for example, we have this project listing, which is you have to go to review sections A to E below. So we search for list A to E, which is all of these sections. So section A, application tips. So the online submission form is only way to request a new addition to CoinMarketCap. Do not reach out through other channels such as email or social media. So you don't have to go through emails, as they said here. You don't have to go through emails or etc. You will have to connect them through a page that I will show you later on. So now if you are looking at here, so let's go to section A. So please review section A before submitting an application. Requests that provide complete and well-structured informations with evidence will be prioritized for review. Of course, they don't have any way to go through their verification unless you are well structured and every information is well have evidence. So now the third thing is check and ensure that you submit your application to the correct option on the form. For example, new exchange application must be submitted on the add new exchange option on form and not anywhere else. So I will show you the form later on in this video, so or just after we read this. So take the time, consolidate your points in separate documents before completing the form. Avoid piecemeal submissions. Substantiate your point with evidence from credible and independently verifiable sources. And yeah, so here goes the list, and you can read it by your own for this video. So now let's go ahead and see the request, how it looks like. So this is the submitting request, and that's how it looks like. So here you choose what you want to do: add exchange, crypto assets, update supply, contract swap, etc. So here's how you can do it. So let's add an exchange. So we are going to add a crypto asset, for example. Here you add your email address, subject field. Here you accept all of these, so you accept all of these terms, and here you write here your relationship with the project. If you are the boss, if you are whatever it is, you write your relationship with the project, and here you write the project launch date, when you are going to launch it, project name, project symbol, ticker. For example, the Bitcoin is BTC, Ethereum is ETH, so you need the symbol for your token. And here you go to crypto asset tag, so you add whichever tag you like. Here you go, and one line of description, and the list is so common. It's so long, guys, and you must make sure to fill all of that list in order to be listed on CoinMarketCap. So yeah, guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.